This 1963 Dodge Coronet represents early 60s automotive design trends, and it is beautifully restored and detailed, which any car collector looks for. You'll first notice the bold, high-gloss Viper Red exterior. When you lift the hood, you'll see the engine bay is painted in high-quality Viper Red, just like the exterior. The 440 cubic inch wedge big block V8 is displayed with a cross-ram intake manifold and two Carter AFP carburetors on top with painted black air cleaners. A new TCI Torqueflite 727 automatic transmission with transmission cooler, a custom 3-inch stainless dual exhaust consists of long tube hooker headers and Flowmaster mufflers. Braking consists of discs up front and drums in the back. New PF Goodrich tires were mounted on 15-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels. The exterior's fit and finish are professionally done in gloss Viper Red. The front fascia is dominated by a wide horizontal grille flanked by dual round headlights and the Superstock scoop hood, giving the car an assertive, aggressive look. The long, straight body panels emphasize the overall length of the car, and the slightly forward-leaning stance suggests performance even at a standstill. Tail fins mainly had disappeared by this time, but the Coronet retained a slight upward flare at the rear of the quarter panels, nodding to the finned era that preceded it. The rear end features simple, round taillights integrated into the broad rear bumper, reinforcing the car's no-nonsense aesthetic. The brightwork is entirely new, and it is polished. The interior looks just like it did when it left the factory, with all the seats and door panels reupholstered in red vinyl. The carpet and headliner have also been replaced. The dash is painted in a high-gloss red and features the original factory instrumentation and push-button controls. A floor-mounted automatic shifter with a long handle, a vintage tachometer mounted on the dash, Stewart Warner gauges, and billet aftermarket steering wheel all add to the classic looks of this hot rod. This 1963 Dodge Coronet stands as a true representation of early 60s American automotive design. Clean lines, bold presence, and a timeless sense of style. Whether you're a collector or a classic car enthusiast who appreciates the understated strength of vintage Mopar engineering, this Coronet offers a rare opportunity to own a piece of muscle car history. If you're interested in viewing the rear classic or would like more information, contact LRA today at 215-781-3790 or email us at sales@lrasales.com. That's sales@lrasales.com. It'd be tough to find a more beautiful, hard-running, and tough-looking 1963 Coronet than this one. Don't miss your shot at owning this piece of Mopar history.